Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. At Consumer Electronics Show, Ledger confirmed the new Nano X hardware wallet will contain Bluetooth support. This will allow users to run mobile wallets with far greater security. The Nano X is expected to begin shipping in March of 2019 at a price of $119. French tobacconist Tobac will officially start selling Bitcoin across their 6,500 branches. Bitcoin vouchers will be sold in the shops, which can then be redeemed via a website. Rumors swirled that Jihan Wu, the controversial CEO of crypto mining and ASIC manufacturing giant Bitmain, will be stepping down. Recent layoffs by Bitmain reveal a company under financial pressure, so a change in leadership seems plausible. Around 20% of all Bitcoin transactions can be attributed to the VeriBlock project. VeriBlock uses the Bitcoin blockchain as a notary service, using data embedded in Bitcoin transactions to secure the state of certain altcoins. China's Internet Censorship Agency, the CAC, announced that it will begin regulating all Chinese crypto services from February 15th. Their oversight will conceivably extend to users running full nodes for any blockchain. All blockchain services will have to send their details to the agency. And finally, Asia's richest businessman, Li Ka-shing, is an investor in the upcoming Backed crypto exchange. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.